Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So far, in two previous lessons, we have learned some words which are very small words and they occur frequently in the Holy Quran. I request all of you to please uh, watch and listen those two lessons and also try to find those words in the Holy Quran whenever you recite, and so that you know that what is the meaning of those words and you become proficient in that. Now today we will learn three letters, three words. The first is al-an or al-ana. It means now, or in Urdu it's ab. And you can see the example, chapter 2, verse 72. Kalu, they said, al-ana, now, jeta, you have come, bil haqqi, with the truth. This is a dialogue of the Jews when Hazrat Musa alayhi salam asked them to slaughter a cow. They were asking different questions, and finally they said, Kalul ana jeta bil haqq. They said, now you have come with the truth. As in English we say, now you are talking. It means that now I understand what you are saying. तो उन्होंने कहा कि अब तू सच्ची बात लाया, अब. So al-an means ab or now. The other word is Allah. As you can see on your screen, it's la. Is Hamza with the fatha over it, and lam zabar alif. La, Allah, as you can see, plus la. And it means khabardar or beware. So Allah, beware of it. And in chapter 2, verse 13, Allah says, Allah innahum humul mufsiduna. Beware, it is surely they who create disorder. And this is a part of that verse. Before that, Allah Ta'ala says, when they are asked not to create disorder in the earth, they said, we are the reformers. Allah says, Allah innahum humul mufsiduna. Beware that they are actually who create disorder. Allah, so you should beware of that. खबरदार हो जाओ कि आगाह रहो, खबरदार कि यही हैं वो जो फसाद करने वाले. Allah has another meaning. It's again a plus la, that Hamza with fatha plus la. It means kya nahi, that not. So Allah means to ask a question, and la means no. So didn't or don't. So in chapter 9, verse 13, Allah says, Allah yuqatiluna qawman naqasu imanuhum. Won't you not, will you not fight with the nation who break their oaths? So will you not fight a people who have broken their oaths? Allah. So Allah means will not, won't, don't you? So Allah tuqatiluna. Won't you fight with those people? Nakasu aymanahum, those who break their law. So you see here, Allah means that not, or will not, or Allah means beware, and al-an means now. So these three words we have learned today, and you will see many examples in the Holy Quran in different verses, so that you understand that what al-an means and what Allah means. It has two meaning, where Allah means beware, and where Allah means will not, or do not, or didn't. So this is also used to ask a question. Thank you, and see you in the next class, inshallah ta'ala.